Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am so glad you're here. Thanks for being here. If you see my Melody Susie gooseneck lamp out, you know I'm putting on some extensions. I'm not going to walk you through my extension process. If you want to know how I do that, I will leave a very detailed video up in the cards on how to install your extensions. I'm just going to throw them on real quick because I am so excited to show you how I got this absolutely beautiful manicure using transfer foils only. I'm not doing any other nail art, no dip, no gel, no nothing, just transfer foils. I'm going to use the McCart transfer foil glue gel stuff, which is HEMA-free, by the way, and some transfer foils and a gel top coat. That is literally all you're going to need for this manicure. So as you can see, I am finishing up getting all my extensions on. I got my thumbnail to do, and then we're going to get right into it. So here are the transfer foils that I chose. I have a ton, but I was drawn to the animal print. However, I saw this marble design stuffed in here with the animal print and I fell in love. So I'm going to use this marble design to do my transfer foils. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do this. Your creativity is endless and you can do this any way you want, but I'm going to show you two different ways you can get some gorgeous nails using transfer foil gel and foils. So I'm going to start off with a full foil nail, and I'm going to do this with a glove on. I know I've been saying I need to wear it, and I'm finally going to start. Not that I think I'm being hurt or injured in any way by my lamp, but I don't want my hands to age any more than they need to. So I'm going to put on the foil gel glue fairly generously. You don't want to, of course, flood your cuticles or your sidewalls. You don't want to glop this on, but you don't want an ultra thin layer either. I'm applying this kind of like I would a gel top coat. I'm going to put this on the entire nail from cuticle to free edge. You want to make sure every single speck of nail is covered because that's where the foil is going to stick. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that for a full minute in my LED UV lamp. Once it's out, I'm going to let it cool off for about 30 seconds to a minute. You really want to give this some time to chill, literally, before you go in with your foils. While that is cooling off, I'm going to cut off a little piece of foil. You don't want to skimp on this. Make sure it's going to fit your nail right. But I find it's easier to manage a little square as opposed to the entire roll. So I cut it off. I'm going to let it sit there while my nail cools off. And once my nail has cooled, I'm going to go ahead and place down that foil exactly where you want it. If you don't get this right the first time, good luck and Godspeed. You want to make sure you're putting it down exactly where you want it because that's where it's going to go. And now we're going to work it. We are going to work this foil like Missy Elliott. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. This can definitely take a hot minute to make sure all that foil is properly adhered to your nail. Yes, it is a little bit of work. Yes, it does take a little bit of time, but I'm telling you, this is the only way that I have found to successfully get these dang foils on my nails. If y'all have been around for a minute, you know that foils have been my nemesis for a hot second. That and striping tape. We figured out the striping tape. I found one that I really like. Now we're going to figure out foils together, and this came out so good. Y'all just wait. I cannot. So I'm going to keep working this into my natural nail. I am using my thumbnail and my index nail to do this. If you don't have nails and you can't do this with your nails, you can get one of those silicone tools. Even a cuticle pusher would work really, really well. You still want to be kind of gentle because you don't want to tear the foil. It is slightly delicate, but you want to make sure that you're being a little rough with it. You got to be a little rough, because otherwise this will not stick. So I'm going to continue rubbing this in. I will pick it up off the nail every so often to see how I'm coming along in the process. And then we're going to move on to a little French side swoopy foil moment. So I've got my palette, I've got my liner brush, and I got the transfer foil glue, and I'm going to paint on a little side swoopy French thing. And once I have that painted on pretty much where I want it, now mind you, you can clean up these foils with a little alcohol. I'm going to show you how to do that later. So wherever you get it that you don't want it, you can remove it. But I'm going to try and get this as close to good as possible. That way it's less work for me to do later. And then I'm going to cure it again for a full 60 seconds. Once I had that fully cured, I'm gonna again let this cool off, let it chill for a little bit. You wanna give it at least 30 seconds, a minute is better. I'm a crazy person with my hand fanning off my nails. And then we're going to, yet again, get this foil on and we're gonna work it. I don't know why I'm like this. Don't judge me. You're having a good time. So I'm going to get this on, get this completely pressed into that foil nail gel glue stuff. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the nails done off camera. You don't need to see all of it. If you want longer videos, let me know. I'd be happy to make them for you. I just don't want to bore y'all to death. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the nails done. I'm going to come back for top coat. I totally lied. I'm coming back now. I put a little bit of alcohol on this nail cleanup brush thing, and I'm very gently just going to remove anything that isn't where I want it to be it around the cuticle area, around that little swoopy smile line thing. Literally, that is all you need to do. It'll take that foil right off for you. All right, I'm really gonna go now and I'll come back for top coat. So as you can see, I got the rest of my nails done. I'm literally obsessed. I'm going to go in with my Adrada No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Currently my favorite gel top. The base coat is amazing too. And I'm going to give that a full 60-second cure. And then this manicure is going to be done. All I got to do is finish up with a little cuticle oil. I hope this was helpful. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you've tried foils, if you've had foil fails, if you're going to try it again. If you do and you're on my Facebook group or Instagram, tag me because I want to see all of your foil nails. Thank you again so much for being here. You guys make my heart smile every single day. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.